Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a giveaway unboxing. So I won Nae Nae's Nail Nook's latest giveaway, and guys, I'm so excited to share these goodies with you. When I tell you this box is full of goodies, it is full of goodies. So I'm going to go through everything that was included in the box, and then closer to the end I'm going to do a bit of swatching. So let's get into it. Right, so the first thing in the box is some Loctite, which is basically blue tack that we use to adhere press-ons to our press-on stands. So this is definitely very handy. Definitely appreciate this. Thanks, Nae Nae. And as you can see here, we also have a couple of booklets that were at the top of the box as well. I'm not sure yet what they are for, but here they are. I think the first one was a polygel instructions. The next two are foil glue instructions. So I'm assuming the foil glues and polygel are in the box as well. But let's move on to the next item. So here we have this bag of goodies. So we have some Fimo fruit slices here. I do have some Fimo fruit slices that I have never used. I'll definitely be adding this to the collection, and well, it's almost summer, so what better time to use these? Next thing we have in that little bag is, let me get everything out. So we have some gold leaf in silver and gold, or nail foil, whatever you call it. So that's what those are. And then we have some smaller pots with more foil, silver and gold. We also have some of that kind of oil slick type looking foil. I don't know if that's what it's called, but kind of has like a random pattern. I don't know how to describe it. But yeah, so I got that coppery one and this gold one. Next we have some rhinestones, and these are just some crystal rhinestones, clear rhinestones. They're so pretty, so shiny. And then we also have some shapes here, some shape glitter or sequins. So we have some moons and some stars in blue iridescent, or AB, I'm not sure. But yeah, you did see that slight purple shift on it, so yeah. Next we have this cute pink and white dust brush, and I have this orange and white one, which is very similar, so I don't want to take that one out of the packaging, so I was just showing you how I would use that brush. Next we have this little packet with some Modelones files and other things. Let me get them out. So we have some finger or toe separators. They're literally exactly the same thing. They just sometimes are labeled different. We also have this cuticle fork. Also got this orange wood stick, as it's called out here, cuticle pusher, as I've heard others call it. And then At first, guys, I thought these were alcohol prep pads, but nope, they're soak off. They're little soak off pads. So what you would do is cut open the top and then stick your finger in to soak off whatever product you have on, and you kind of fold it or squeeze it around your finger, and they actually stay put. And I've found that these little packets, they work very well. And next we have these 3 Modelones files, and they are all 3 180 grit files. Moving on. Next we have some nail tips. Yes, adding to my already overflowing nail tip drawer. So we have these, I think these are extra long coffin, and they are C-curve tips, as you can see here. And this is what it would look like on a nail. That's the length. I think this is double XL. I'm not quite sure. It doesn't say on the box, but I think those are double XL. Very nice. Thank you for those, Nae Nae. And then we also get some dual forms, and these are the Macart dual forms. They seem to be square. Are they square or coffin? But they do have a wicked curve. So let me get this out so I can show you what they look like. So that is what they look like. See that curve, guys? And I think these are, I'm not sure if those are square or coffin, or maybe they're tapered square. Is it? I'm not sure. But we have some dual forms. And next thing we have in the box is this tiny little box with a very well wrapped dapping dish. Yes. So let me get this unwrapped. There we have it, and this is the top, unbroken, perfect. And this is the dapping dish itself. Very cute dapping dish. There we have it. Next thing we have in the box, we have this Modelones polygel brush and spatula. So on one end you have the spatula, and then on the other end we have the gel brush. So that is that. I also got a Modelones acrylic brush, and I think this is their Kolinsky acrylic brush. Let me get it out. So yeah, look at the glitter in this, guys. I love these brushes with the glitter in the handles. What are they called? Aqua brushes. I really like those. And this is a number 14 Kolinsky brush from Modelones. And that is what it looks like. This is very nice. Look at the glitter. I love that. I could sit and do that for quite a while without getting bored. But let's put that brush away and get back to the box. Next, we got some nail foils, some transfer foils. So we have this set of beautiful silver holographic foils with different patterns. I really, really like that one on the right at the bottom. Very cute. Love those. And then we have these galaxy ones with a touch of hollow as well. Well, guys, I have a lot more to get to in this box, so I'm not going to be taking all the foils and showing them to you one at a time. We would end up running way over an hour if I did that, so let's continue. So here we have this little I think this is a press-on application kit from Nae Nae, and here is her card. That is the name of her channel, Nae Nae's Nail Nook, and she does custom press-on, guys. So make sure you check out Nae Nae's Nail Nook on Instagram and on YouTube. And she's also on Facebook, as you can see here, and there we have her email and her website. So definitely check out Nae Nae's Nail Nook. Check out her channel for nail content, her Instagram for nail content. And if you're in the market for some press-ons, definitely check out my girl's website and definitely see what she's got going on her website. I actually wasn't aware before I received the box that she does press-ons, but now that I know, you know, I'm gonna need me some press-ons, Nae Nae. So here we have the sticky tabs. These are to adhere the press-ons to your nails. Then we have some mini buffer blocks, and these are to prep your natural nails before applying those press-ons. And then we also have some more orange wood sticks / cuticle pushers. So there we have them. And these are longer than the one that I showed you in the little Modelones package. Thank you, Nae Nae. I'll definitely be checking out your website, girl. I'm gonna need me some press-ons. Next, let me get these back in this little bag, and I really like these cute little I think they're called organza bags. Am I right? I really like those little bags. So I'm just gonna leave her card right there as we go through the rest of the items in the box, guys. So remember, Nae Nae's Nail Nook. That is her Instagram name, her YouTube channel, and also her website. Definitely check her out. So in this little baggie, we have some Macart Slip Solution, Nail Surface Cleanser / Slip Solution. I heard that's very good, by the way. I've never used Macart's polygels or anything. And then we also have some Macart nail glue sticks. And we also get, oh my god, guys, when I tell you this specific polygel is literally the only polygel that I have been considering purchasing recently. Nae Nae, oh my god, you are a mind reader. Look at this red, you guys. Look at this red. And look, guys, it's glittery. Can you see the glitter? Can you see the brightness, how vibrant that red is? Oh my god, so now I don't have to go out and buy that. Thank you, Nae Nae. Oh my god, I've seen quite a few of my nail sisters use this particular red polygel, and when I tell you I'm in love. Let me just dust this away a bit and then get back to the box. Next items in the box. Okay, so this is a bag with some gel products. So we have the Macart base and top coats. I don't have any Macart base and top, so thanks, Nae Nae. Listen, you can never have too many base and top coats, okay? Never. You can never have too many base and top coats. I'm so sorry, I just realized that one of my lights was off, but we're good now. So what am I doing? Okay, so now that I have that light on again, let me show you. Look, can you see the glitters in this baby? Look how pretty. Can you tell that I'm slightly obsessed? So that was that. Also in that Ziploc bag, we have some Beatles top coats, and we also have some Modelones top coats. And we also have some Modelones base coats. So 3 top coats, 2 base coats. As I said, you can never have too much top or base, okay? Next, we have some nail matrix monomer. Guys, when I tell you I love this monomer, I love this monomer. I actually have some already, but thank you, Nae Nae. I definitely appreciate this because this is I really love this monomer. It's one of the best I've used actually. And if you guys remember, I spent quite some time purchasing different monomers, trying them out, and yeah, love that one. So also she included these press-on stands, 2 sets. So it comes with the diamond piece as the base, and then it comes with the 5 stands for you to adhere your press-ons to. Next, we have some more polygel. Now, these are sealed, and because I'm not going to be using these right now, I'm not going to be opening them. But here you can see we have Cosmo Black, and I'm not sure what the yellow one is called, but I have seen it used on other ladies' channels, and it is very pretty. And here we have some SXC, I think that's what that is, SXC nail art foil glue, and we also have some Macart nail art foil glue. So that is what 2 of the booklets that I took out of the box first are for. So we get 2 foil glues. And the next item, we have the Macart nail dehydrator and primer kit. Let me pop this open. So here we have them, guys. I really like this packaging. This is pretty. So this is the dehydrator and the primer from Macart. Listen, Nae Nae went in on this box. When I tell you, this box literally has everything you need to do some nails, whether it's polygel or acrylic, everything. So let me continue because so many goodies in this box. And so in this bag, we have some forms. And these are the standard type of forms. Next, we have some of these little paper flower. Are these called decals? I'm not sure. But these would be for encapsulation. And as it is a spring, haha, these will definitely come in handy. Here we have some roses with some greenery as well, and these are still paper decals. I'm not sure what you call them, but they're very pretty. And this is this pixie crystals or just caviar beads? Let's get this open and see. And I think this is actually pixies. Yeah, because they're the little tiny rhinestones. Yes, I actually don't have any pixie crystals at this time. So thank you, Nae Nae. That is definitely appreciated. And that tells me I need to go out and get some more. And then we have some glitter. So we have some butterflies in shades of orange, yellow, and green. So pretty, guys. And y'all know me and glitter, of course. So definitely appreciate that. And then the next one is some silver holographic butterflies as well. Look, guys. Look, these are so holographic. Look at that. You can't even see silver. Absolutely beautiful. Next, we have some other stands that would go along with the two that I showed you before. These would work perfectly with those because the little diamond that comes in that packet it can only hold one of the stands at a time, while these you can just rest the other four while you're doing whatever set you're doing. And here we have some striping tape. I do have some striping tape. I've never used the striping tape that I have, but thanks for adding to my striping tape collection, Nae Nae. I will definitely need to start using these. And you can use these in so many ways to enhance and to decorate your set. So I definitely appreciate these as well. I'm trying to show you the colors, but the camera just doesn't want to focus. Oh well. Let us move on. The next item, let me get these back in this little packet. Next thing we have is a bending tool for, those metal pieces, those metal decal pieces that you would use to enhance your set or maybe even encapsulate them. With this, you can bend those pieces so that they will fit perfectly on the curve of your nail, because some of them do come flat, some come already bent, but this tool is perfect for the pieces that don't come bent to fit a nail. Next, we have some more paper flowers for encapsulation. Ooh, really like these ones. I'm ready for spring. I am ready for spring. Well, in Jamaica, it's more like early summer. It's already hot, guys. It is already hot. Even at night. Usually the temperature would drop and I can't even use a thin cover at night. It is so hot and I'm not with the AC. So I showed you a set of dotting tools that were included in the box, and then we have this cute little gel brush with the cover. Next, so we have this little spatula. And we got some nail foil, some more foils. Now these I'll just take them out and show you the different patterns really quickly. I don't have these. I definitely don't have these. So definitely a nice addition to my foil collection. So there we have the purple and this gray one. And then we have this nude one. And then another one. This one is very familiar. I've seen that one used quite a bit. That one. Ooh, I love this one. And that one. Ooh. Yeah. So this is a neon snake. Nice. And this one. I think this and the one with the teal, those are my two faves in this pack. Next, we also get some rhinestones, and these are AB rhinestones in 6 sizes. Definitely appreciate that. Thank you, Nae Nae. You know we love our glitter and our bling over here. And we also get some crystal clear rhinestones as well. Same 6 sizes. Next, we have some ruby red rhinestones, guys. And you know me and red and black, those are my colors. Those have always been and will always be my colors. And then we have these pretty blue ones as well. Very nice. Next, we have this wheel of rhinestones, and these, I don't think they're AB. I think they're supposed to be like the, you know, that moonlight blue AB, the one that kind of flashes blue instead of multiple colors. I think that's the one. Now that's AB, and I'm sure you can see the difference. The moonlight color, that one is more subtle. So here we have a wheel of colored rhinestones, and these are really small ones. And then we have some pearls. Oh my, these are nice. Those are so cute. Here we have a mini sun UV lamp. And let me take it out. And this one is Modelones. I actually have this lamp. This was the first lamp I ever got with my very first nail kit, which was a Modelones polygel kit. And I still have it. It still works. Let me try to, I'm trying to get the legs down so I can show you what it looks like standing up on its own and everything. But yeah, the legs on these lamps can sometimes be very difficult. But that's what it looks like, and you get the USB cable. Get that part away. Next, we have some Saviland builder gels. So we have the clear, and I think this is, yeah, the white, and these are these 10 milliliters, or I think, or 7, I'm not sure. Next, we have some Modelones nail gel glue. I think this is their rhinestone glue, but I am not 100% positive. But there it is. Next, now guys, these surprised me. I had no idea these existed. So these are the Modelones solid painting gels, and just give it a moment. These are mud gels, guys, or pudding gels, or whatever you want to call them, but I had no idea these existed. And apparently these were out here long before anyone else decided that they were gonna do mud gels or pudding gels. So Modelones did it first, you guys. Modelones did it first, and I'm loving these colors. Let me show you this one. Look at that cute. Oh, that is so nice. That's a very pale peachy pink color. Very pretty. Next, we have this Modelones glitter gel. Oh, okay, so that didn't go as planned, but let me try to get it open some more so you can see. Look at the hollow in that, guys. Can y'all see the hollow in this gel? OMG, I can't wait to use that. Very, very pretty. Next, we have this Modelones Art Deco kit. So it's a 6-piece gel polish collection. And when I say packaging, I love the packaging on this. So let me get it open. Oh, I'm loving that packaging. Very nice. Ooh. Okay, Modelones, okay with the packaging. So here we have, what's this for? Oh, okay, so this is some information like for Facebook and stuff to join the Modelones Amazon group. And then let us get these gels out and check them out. Here we have it. Oh my, the nudes. Oh my gosh, these are nice. Look at these bottles. Look at the patterns, guys. Kind of seem familiar to me. But anyways, we get the little instruction booklet as usual with this gel polish kit. And these are application instructions, and then it also has the removal instructions as well. So let's take a look at these polishes, and I'm also gonna swatch these. So look at that, you guys. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh my. Yes, so these are nude. So let me just grab some swatch sticks, and we're gonna swatch these right now. So I've kind of sped up this portion because this is already a long video, you guys. So I've kind of sped up this portion, so bear with me. I will slow it down to show you the swatches like once they are cured. So go ahead and enjoy this little section. I'm gonna pipe down for a bit. There we have them, all 6 swatched, and here they are. So this is the first one, fully cured. Love that color. Very pretty. Then we have the white. And these are all one coat, guys. If I don't have to, I don't do two coats on swatches. Because I'm not taking clients, they don't need to be perfect. They just need to be enough for me to see what colors I have. So there we have them. That was number 3, and I love that deep red. And then we have this silver glitter. It's yeah. Go. And then next we have this more goldy glitter. Y'all know I love me some glitter, so love these. And last but not least, we have this lovely cream color. And guys, these were creamy and very nice when applying. Love that kit. Thank you, Nae Nae. When I tell you Nae Nae set this box up, very nice. I really wasn't expecting this box to be what it turned out to be, but I'm definitely in love with everything I received. Definitely appreciative. So let's move on to the next item. Y'all thought it was done, huh? No, we got the acrylics. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you each of these colors, and I am gonna swatch these as well. Let me get my angle right. Oh, look at that purple, guys. It's so pretty. Or would you call this lavender or lilac? Let me know. But very pretty. And I'm leaving it open because, as I said, I am gonna swatch these. Ooh, very nice. It's kind of in the jar, it kind of gives jade vibes. But we will see when we swatch. Next. Ooh, very nice. And we can see the actual shade of the pigment there. So I think this will be a deeper shade. It's kind of a periwinkle blue purple, but deeper. But yeah. Let's check out the next one. And here I think I've just discovered the numbers, and you will see the numbers on the swatch stick, so I'll just let you know what number is. Well, I think I've sped up the swatch portion, but yeah, you will see the numbers on the swatch sticks. Look at this pretty blue. Very nice. And then next, ooh, another purple. Very nice. And this is not the same as the first one. That one is definitely pretty. All right, so guys, I got some glitters. So let me go ahead and check this one out. And this is number 21. Let's get this open. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh. That is pretty. I see blue in there. I see some silver. Very nice. This one is number 24. Oh wow. This is a silver. Oh my. That's very nice. It's just straight up silver, nothing, no colors or anything, no iridescence, nothing added, just silver. Love that. I'm sorry. This is the next one. I think this is number 23. Oh my. And this one is an iridescent pink. Very pretty. Very nice. Now guys, I'm gonna get to swatching. So relax and enjoy the swatch portion. I'm gonna pipe down while you enjoy. And this is the last acrylic swatch, you guys. I am obsessed with the silver. I'm obsessed with this. This is beautiful. Yeah. Oh, it's not holographic. It's just silver. I'm in love with this. Very nice. Alright, so that is the last acrylic swatch, guys. I'm just gonna quickly swatch these two mud gels so we can see the colors, and I'm also gonna swatch the glitter gel pot as well. And I've sped up this portion, so I was trying to cut down on time because this video was over an hour when I recorded it, so I had to trim it up a bit. It's still not a short video, but we had a lot to go through in that box, and when I tell you that box was chock full. So again, guys, if you didn't catch the first portion or the middle of the video, listen, check out my girl Nae Nae. Nae Nae's Nail Nook on YouTube and on Instagram. Listen, she is very good at what she does. She does some beautiful nail art. She works mostly with gel, and she also does gel-X sets, so definitely check her out. Oh my god, here we go with this glitter. Now with this gel pot, this is the type of glitter gel that you have to actually move the bigger pieces around to get them where you want them on the nail, because if you just apply like a regular polish, you'd end up swiping off all the big pieces or just bunching them at the tip of the nail. So yeah, you have to work this one, but it is worth it. The payoff is worth it. Look at that hollow, okay? Definitely worth it. So that's the last of the little gels that we received, and here are the acrylic swatches once again. So we have here numbers 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And these definitely give me jelly vibes, except for number 9. Number 9 seems more solid, but the rest give definitely jelly acrylic vibes. So there we have those ones. And guys, next, let me show you the glitters. And I told you, I did say I'm obsessed with that silver, didn't I? So here they are, number 21, 23, and 24. And that is it, guys. So I want to thank you all, as usual, for tuning in. If you stayed to the end of the video, thank you so much. I know it's a long one, but I really appreciate y'all staying and just hanging out with me while I chatter on. And guys, Nae Nae, I thank you so much for this box. You really set this box up. I definitely love everything I got, and I appreciate you, girl. So guys, remember to check out Nae Nae's Nail Nook on YouTube and Instagram. Also check out her website. And thank you all so much for watching. Hit that like, subscribe, and the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.